In mid-April of last year, I was going crazy with the shutdown, and I decided to just get in the car and drive around and look at homes because my husband was starting to look. And I came across this neighborhood, and I drove in, and I drove to the back cul-de-sac, and I got out of the car and I FaceTimed my husband, did a 360 view to show him that I just found our next home site. I fell in love with it immediately. And he came out and he agreed. And we called Kevin. It was very good. As we saw things that we wanted tweaked or things that we wanted, well, we really didn't change anything about the house. That's why I'm having a hard time answering the question, because there really wasn't much. It was so well done in the decisions that were made before we even bought it. I don't know how to even answer that question because it was just so perfect. And then little things as the house started to settle and we'd mention it and immediately right on it, and fixing anything that needed changing. So my husband moved here 25 years ago, I believe, from northern Pennsylvania. And I moved here 15 years ago from South Florida. I came here for one weekend on a vacation, and I left here telling my boyfriend at the time that I didn't care if he was moving here or not, I'm moving here. And that weekend just happened to be the downtown after 5, because it was the third Friday of the month of July, and Southern Culture on the Skids was playing at the Orange Peel, and we passed the drum circle, and that's always fun the first time you see that. And of course all the street performers, it was like New Orleans, street performers on every corner and in between corners and sometimes overlapping each other. It was just, there was so much going on and then the mountains. I went hiking that weekend. We went to the Sliding Rock. We went on a waterfall tour. What wasn't to love about this place? So I moved here a month later.